topic of this workshop was on user preferences, and this is something that you can change from the user interface. It is user specific, and you can make changes either for the number format or the date format. And let's go back to the application so we can look into that. I'm going to close these windows here. We don't need them anymore. So from the main menu, as I was saying, you can see here, change my preferences. So once you click on that, you will have 4 options that you can customize the way your number format appears in the interface. And for example, if you need to change the display for numbers from the European display to the American display and so on. So if you want to change the separator, you can choose none, the same for the decimal separator. Also for the data format, you can change the date format, and if you need to have the date format long, this is how you can change it. Once you apply the changes, you can save from here. Alternatively, you can reset the changes that you made in order to come back to what was previously selected. It's very important that once you make the changes here, you test in your environment that you get what you wanted. So, do you have any question about this? I know that in the past we had questions about changing the number format, or maybe the date. I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice. So I also included here in the slides. So as I was saying, if you absolutely need to change the way the number are displayed in your configuration, this is how you can do it. It's very important that once you do that, you test and you make sure that the display is what you wanted. At the very end of the workshop, let me know if you have any questions so far, if you want to comment or add something.
I just want to make a comment here. When you go, when you get to see application default, that is coming from the configuration in the manager page. So like this is for user preference, but for example, the date format, it's coming really from the general configuration of the system.
Yeah, so let me go. The application default, as Mario was saying, is coming from the settings in the backend.